Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into something that could transform not just smartphones, but all portable electronics in the future. Silicon carbide batteries. Well, you might have seen some news about them recently, but what exactly are they? And why are the experts so excited about it? Well, let us break down in a simple and easy to understand way. First, let us quickly talk about the batteries we use, that is lithium-ion batteries. Lithium-ion tech has been the industry standard for over 30 years now. They are reliable, fairly lightweight, and also rechargeable, and they have powered everything from today's mobile phones to the previous ones, and even the electric cars and even spacecraft. But as much as they has improved over the years, here is a hidden truth. The battery technology has not evolved nearly as fast as processors, displays, or cameras. Every year we see smartphones which are coming up with faster chips, sharper screens, and crazy camera upgrades. But the battery improvements have been moving at the pace of a snail. Tiny moves are there here and there, but no massive leaps. Well, that is because the chemistry is hard to innovate at a large scale. We just can't code our way to make a battery better. We are dealing with physical limits, that is, how much energy can be stored, how fast the ions can move, and how stable the materials are under stress. They also need to be safe as well. So that is the main reason why silicon batteries are such a big deal. Well, let us start with the basics first. In a lithium-ion battery, the anode is one of the two electrodes where energy is stored. That is made up of graphite, a form of carbon. Well, graphite is a fantastic workhorse, but it is safe, stable, affordable, and lasts through hundreds of charge cycles as well. But the thing is, graphite is reaching its limits. Graphite can only store so many lithium ions per unit of volume. That is the reason why scientists are turning to silicon. Silicon can theoretically hold about 10 times more lithium ion as compared to graphite. Well, think about it for a second. If we can replace graphite completely with silicon, our batteries could be 10 times more powerful. The phones could last for several days on a single charge, and also the charging can happen at a lightning speed. Devices could be lighter or have larger batteries without making them actually bulky. But the thing is, there is a catch. It swells dramatically when it charges. We are talking about swelling up to 300% its original size during a single charge cycle. And that can be dangerous as well. You can imagine it as a sponge expanding and contracting violently every time you squeeze it. Over time, it would tear itself apart and there will be cracks all over. Well, that's exactly what happens to pure silicon anodes. They crack, degrade, and make the battery unusable within a few dozen cycles. Clearly, pure silicon was too unstable for practical use. So, researchers have found a clever workaround. Instead of using 100% silicon, they are blending small amounts of silicon with carbon. This combination, silicon-carbon, gives us the best of both worlds. The carbon matrix acts like a strong, flexible net. It supports the silicon during charging, it absorbs the expansion stress as well, and prevents the anode from cracking as well. Meanwhile, even a small amount of silicon increases the battery's energy capacity as compared to pure graphite. Well, if you ask me, it is a brilliant marriage of the old and the new. Here is what silicon-carbon batteries bring to the table. First is faster charging, because more lithium ions can flow quickly to the anode without damaging it, meaning much faster charging time. Higher energy density. Batteries can store more energy in the same size, or even allow for smaller batteries without sacrificing runtime. This could provide us thinner phones, lighter laptops, and even long-lasting earbuds. Well, the third thing is better cycle life. Thanks to the strength of carbon, the battery can handle more charge and discharge cycle. Better cycle life. Thanks to the strength of carbon, the battery can handle more charge and discharge cycle before degrading, meaning your phone could last longer before even showing any health issues. The another part is thermal stability gets improved. Less heat is generated during fast charging, and thereby it makes devices safer and more efficient as well. But now, you might be wondering, when is it all going to come? The good news is, it is happening right now. Brands like Xiaomi, OnePlus have already announced that upcoming 2025 flagships, which will feature the silicon carbide batteries. They claim an increase of about 10% in battery energy density as compared to current graphite-based designs. It might sound like a small number, but in the world of batteries, even a 5% jump is considered a breakthrough. Plus, when you combine this with software optimization and fast charging technology, the real world improvements will be very much noticeable as well. And this is not going to be just for smartphones. As the production of silicon carbon batteries scales up, we would be able to see them in laptops, tablets, wearables, and even electric vehicles in the future as well. You can think about an EV with smaller battery packs that charge faster but also still give you the same range, or an ultra-light laptop that runs for a longer time without needing a plug-in. Of course, silicon carbon is not the final destination for battery technology. There is a lot of research happening on solid-state batteries, lithium-sulfur batteries, and even more exotic designs as well. But silicon carbon is really a huge step forward, and most importantly, it is being used in the world right now. So, when you're thinking about your next smartphone in 2025 or 2026, it won't just be about better cameras, bigger screen, or faster processor. The battery inside will also be a game-changing factor as well. With that, you will get longer battery life, faster charging, and better durability. All thanks to the magic of silicon and carbon coming together. If you enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to my channel for more easy to understand tech explanation. And also share this video with your friends and family. This is just the beginning of battery revolution, and we will be here to break it down for you every stop of the way. Thanks for watching.